We are going to start by formatting the different titles to different headings. Like chapter 1 is having heading 1, introduction heading 2, objectives heading 3. So this will always depend on your document, but the main headings are always formatted to heading 1. So you have to format all your headings, all your titles to different headings on the home panel. So as you can see, all are formatted accordingly. So this one is pre-created, so let's first delete it and I'll show you the right way. So after doing giving all the titles headings, heading 1 and heading 2, heading 3, even up to any you want. So let me first delete this table. Yeah. So after giving the headings, you go to references, then table of contents, you select the type of table you want, so to automatically generate itself. We highlight this in order to format it depending on your interest. We highlight, maybe me I want to center, then make it uppercase. That one is done. Our table is already created. Now to create list of figures or table of figures, you have to select the image, then insert caption, then you put labeling. So after doing all the labeling and other things, you go back to references, then insert table of figures. You select OK. It automatically comes as you've seen here. So all these figures have inserted a caption on them, so that's why they are able to come. So now we can put table of figures, or you can as well call them list of figures, depending on what you want. So that's how basically you can create table of contents, table of figures, even list of tables. You can as well collect it. You highlight a table, insert caption, then you select table, then you put your labeling. So you can as well update the table after editing by selecting update table.